I have Mr. Jones back on the docket. He did his T-Raz.
Jones. Which Jones? Hello.
Joshua Jones.
Oh, okay.
The T-Raz came back. I think they recommended outpatient treatment. I believe so.
Yes. Okay.
They recommended outpatient with 2 open DWIs.
They recommended
Okay, so I'm gonna do it because I told you I would do whatever they do. But if he mucks it up, he's going into an inpatient. And that'll be used as a sanction.
Okay. Will you take a year probation?
What do you think, State?
I'm sorry.
This is Jones, Joshua Jones. He has 2 open DWIs. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I didn't find that.
Buckle up, guys. Today we are watching a courtroom moment that spirals out of control before anyone realizes what's really happening. The judge comes in hot, accusing Joshua of testing positive while on bond, and you can feel the tension spike instantly. Jail time is hanging over his head, and the narrative frames him as either reckless or wronged. This opening doesn't just set the stakes, it plants doubt. Is this accountability in action, or the beginning of a dangerous mistake?
I think 2 years is appropriate so that we know.
Judge, you know what spot that puts me in. We can go to trial and get the same thing.
Okay. On 2? 15 months.
Okay, that's
I'll talk to him.
He'll still be under
But
sounds good.
I don't know. He's gonna get tested off.
Yeah,
You know,
I will.
he's using.
No, I'll be back.
I guess. Judge, I feel there's an assessment to have him gone to escalate and move up.
What is the violation?
Alcohol and weed. I have done everything in my power to try to keep you out of custody. You have 2 open DWIs. I was now going to grant the fact that you had negotiated an intensive outpatient treatment. You now are testing positive for alcohol and marijuana while you're on bond for this case. And I have told you repeatedly that you...
Alright guys, now we rewind to where it all starts, the negotiation phase. This is where futures quietly get decided. Probation length, treatment recommendations, subtle remarks about testing, every word carries weight. The judge is measured but firm, signaling zero tolerance. You can sense that Joshua is walking a thin line. Nothing explosive yet, but the groundwork is being laid. This is the calm procedural layer that makes what's about to happen feel even more intense and personal.
are at no tolerance. Mr. Jones.
I don't do drugs. Period and point blank.
I have here.
Don't say anything. Can I get a copy of the bond violations before we discuss
Is it
it?
impending?
It's in ready for judge.
I'm gonna let it top blow.
March 13th, the results were confirmed by the lab for alcohol and THC. Oh, wait. Joshua Dante Jones, right? Joshua Dante Jones?
Just,
Yes.
that should have to. I can't remember what has to stuff. Yes.
This has got, I don't know, something's wrong here.
I'm not understanding. I'm not saying.
Something's wrong.
Here's where everything detonates. The violation is announced. Alcohol and weed. The judge's tone sharpens, reminding him she tried to keep him out of custody. Joshua denies it, clearly shaken. Then the lab confirmation is read out loud, and his full name echoes in the courtroom. This is reputational freefall in real time. The system sounds certain, the defendant sounds desperate, and for a moment it feels like the outcome is already sealed.
Ow. We need to put pretrial services on probation, man.
I'm not sure.
I mean, it says here, Mr. Jones.
I don't see it in ready for judge.
No, it's wrong. It's wrong. Let me see it. It's wrong. Let me see. Yeah, it's wrong.
Okay.
It's a Joshua Dante.
Okay.
It's the exact same.
Okay.
You're good.
So we're good.
Hey,
It wasn't you. We're good.
that's not you.
Let's go talk again.
Sorry to scare you.
Let's go talk.
He's good.
Judge, you stated this was in ready for judge?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Was it an error, Maureen?
Now the twist hits. A pause, a second look, a creeping realization. The same name, but not the same person. You can actually hear the shift in energy as doubt replaces certainty. The judge recalibrates, apologizes, and the fear drains from the room. In less than 2 minutes, Joshua goes from almost being remanded into custody to being cleared entirely. It's a chilling reminder of how fragile justice can be when paperwork speaks louder than verification.
I want to apologize for getting mad at you. I had the wrong person, so it wasn't you. So I'm sorry for raising my voice and getting upset with you. And the reason I got so upset was because you have 2 open DWIs. It's serious business. It's not and so if I see someone that has those kind of cases that are open and when they start having more violations, that really tells me that there's a problem, which is not your case. I mean, I haven't seen any violations, which I'm hoping it stays that way. The idea is that you learn something when you get here, so you leave better than you came, because the last thing we want is for you to become a statistic. We have enough of that. We don't want any more. We don't want any more death on our streets. That's exactly what we're trying to prevent. And everything we do now here is to help you and give you the tools to make you better when you go out in the world, so that you think next time, if you do want to get lit, right? If you want to have 32 shots of tequila, 52 joints, or whatever it may be, right? That you think before getting into a car. Because God forbid, it's that one mistake that you dig such a hole you never crawl out of. That's the idea, You've worked a great deal here, really, where they're going to dismiss one of your DWIs, you're pleading to the other one. Nevertheless, when an officer pulls you over, the first thing they do, what do you think they do? They look at your record because they want to know who they're dealing with. If they look at your record and they go up to you in the car and they smell alcohol or dope, it's probably not going to go well. So the idea is, if you're going to get lit, if you're going to have that, be like that, take an Uber. Do you understand? The agreement that you've worked out is, like I said, they're going to dismiss one of the DWIs. You're pleading guilty to one of the DWIs, so it will go on your record. You are now entering into an agreement, a plea bargain with the state. The agreement is 180 days in jail to be probated for 15 months. As part of the agreement, you will do a DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels. You will do a TRAS with conditions. You have already done the TRAS. The TRAS has recommended intensive outpatient treatment, followed by supportive outpatient treatment, which is good. I'm telling you, I thought they were going to order you to do inpatient treatment. That's what I thought they were going to do. So this is great for you because you're not going into lockup. But understand, it's not easy. You have to get it done. If you don't,
with the error corrected, the court moves forward, but the weight of the moment lingers. The judge explains the seriousness of 2 open DWIs, lays out strict probation terms, and makes it clear that one more mistake could mean 180 days in jail. This isn't just a plea. It's a final warning wrapped in opportunity. Joshua walks away free, but narrowly. If this breakdown gave you insight into how quickly things can turn in court, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.